Malica in a restaurant with more than 50 years of history? Malica Patrol is once again on the hunt for the best Malica in the city. And today, we're at Gostilni Livada. What caught my attention right away was their huge summer terrace. It's massive, and of course, the interior design. Once you learn about their long history, you realize these walls have seen a lot. The service here was excellent, definitely a 10 out of 10. They offer cosillo, and I went for a beef soup and mesno kromperjeva roladas kislo smetano in polento for 15 euros. Now, the soup, for the first time in Malica Patrol history, a beef soup actually had real pieces of beef in it. It was rich, flavorful, and hearty, an easy 10. The main dish came with a salad, and the portion was really generous. Everything was perfectly balanced and full of flavor. Another 10 from me. This is one of those rare cases where I was truly satisfied with a Malica. Gostilni Livada gets a solid 10 out of 10.